welcome all back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is a DIY for all the beautiful ladies who love earrings and want the earrings organized at a well decorated and beautiful place. So we all want that our jewelries or our makeup should be organized, and organized things looks beautiful, isn't it? So first of all, I would like to just tell you that it is a budget friendly DIY. You don't need a lot of budget or a lot of things to make this beautiful DIY earring holder. So without further ado, let's get started.
Every single day I'm gonna make it.
So for the very first process, we need braided threads. So for this you need some thread, or you can also use macrame or jute rope. That will look really beautiful, or it will give a boho or hippie kind of look. So I love this colorful threads, so I have braided this long thread for my earring holder. Then the next thing you want is a huge frame. You don't need anything but a frame. You can just buy a frame like this from Banjara market, or you can have these frames from Amazon also. Or if you are a painting or a scenery lover, I hope that you may all have this huge frame, or you can also just use a small sized frame. So I have just painted white color on this frame, as you can see. Then what I have done, I have taken a black chart paper and I have just pasted it here. Then what we'll do in the next process, that what thread I have shown you in the previous process, you just have to paste it, or you can just use some small nails and you can add those threads in the corners of the frame.
Audio Jungle.